Hey, I'm Shane from Shane's Law. This is Shane's Spin. We're looking at dash cam videos. Bam, this is a quick one, okay? You can see the drunk driver is cruising right through this residential area, loses control around a turn, hits a car that's parked, okay? Now, interesting thing about this is one, there's clearly damage to that parked car, okay? Two, they know it's a drunk driver in the video. My guess is because the police came and arrested that person. What you need to know as somebody who owns a vehicle, if your car is parked out in front of your house and it's hit by a drunk driver, there may be a punitive damages claim there, okay? Even though you're not in the car, we may be able to get you some extra money. All that extra money is done is to punish the drunk driver, okay? The one who was drinking and driving, came speeding around that intersection, smacked in that car. There's some punitive damages claim there. If this is you, call a lawyer, okay? Because you're gonna need one to collect that. The insurance company is not going to offer that to you free and clear. And remember, if you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane, 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.